Welcome to Monument Hotel, where refined elegance meets the vibrant spirit of Barcelona. Nestled on the fashionable Paseo de Gracia, moments from Gaudi's iconic Casa Batlló and La Pedrera, this five-star oasis places you at the very heart of the city's artistic and cultural pulse. Step into soundproofed rooms, elegantly decorated and thoughtfully equipped for your comfort. Enjoy a flat-screen TV, Bluetooth sound, and a safe with charging for your devices. Many offer city views. Indulge your palate at Lasarte, the hotel's 3 Michelin-starred restaurant, or the fresh cuisine of Oria. Unwind by the outdoor pool, rejuvenate at the spa and wellness center, or stay active at the fitness center. With exceptional service and a prime location, your unforgettable Barcelona escape begins here.